You are going to love 2006 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control, climate control, multi-zone, AM/FM stereo radio. Come see the car for yourself.